today I'm going to ask some questions to you. Are you ready?
Yes, obviously, sir, I'm ready.
Okay, absolutely. And you are a good student. So now I'm going to ask some questions to you. Do you want to climb a tree?
So I don't want to climb a tree.
Okay, can you speak in English?
Obviously, sir, I can speak English.
Okay, do you want to study English?
Yes, I want to study in English.
Okay, when do you go to school every day?
So I go to school at 8 o'clock.
Okay, what do you play?
So I play kabaddi.
Okay, that's great. You are a kabaddi player.
Yes, sir.
That's great. I also love kabaddi. Okay, and when do you play kabaddi every day?
So I play kabaddi at 5 o'clock.
Okay, with whom do you play kabaddi?
So I play kabaddi with my friends and my brother.
Definitely, it's great. And do you know about the name of tenses?
Yes, I know all name of the tenses. There are 12 tenses: present simple, past simple, and future simple. Present continuous, past continuous, and future continuous. Present perfect, past perfect, and future perfect. Present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, and future perfect continuous.
Yes, bro. तभी तो बोलते हैं महाराष्ट्र वाले मैं नहीं तो कौन बे. Piyush, good. You are speaking very well. Okay, next question to you. Do you know about the voices in English? How many voices are there?
So there are two types of voice: active voice and passive voice.
Do you know about the speech in English? How many types of speeches in English?
Yes, so there are two types of speech in English: direct speech and indirect speech.
That's great. Okay, do you love the way I teach you?
Yes, I love the way I teach you, and I also like it.
Okay, thank you so much. And you are speaking very well, and you are good in English. You are good in grammar. You are good in speaking, and you don't hesitate. Love you, guys.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, मेरा बच्चा. Always be on time in your class. Goodbye.
Okay, sir.